Now we will see what is the impact of state update task local. So I have some ready-made code. Let me explain it and we'll see this code in detail. After the writing the result, let me control V. This is commented out. So let me uncomment line by line and explain. So state update task local, of what will happen, we will see in the debug mode. Before that, what we are doing, we are deleting the internal table. This is the internal table. It's not main table. We got the data in the internal table, we updated and we did commit work. After that, the database was updated with correct data, I think so. The database was updated with the correct data, with whatever was available in this internal table. And due to the commit work, and as database LUW and SAP LUW got closed and we database updated and we displayed the data. After that, what I did, I'm deleting the internal table first line with IDX, not main table, internal table. And after deleting the table, I'm calling the function module demo update delete. Means this is the, what is this function module doing? Let me open it up. This is again update function module, V1 type of update function module. Let me open parallelly. So it is the same function module which will update the data with the internal table. Previously, we were having the table with the data which was deleting the internal table. Now it is updating this internal table with data. Means updating means what it will do. Now we in the table we have only two entries, Y and Z. It will go and update these two entries. Whatever after deleting this X first entry, and it will update the particular table with these two entries. Okay, after doing this, we are waiting for 1 second. Okay, its internal database commit will happen here, and we are changing the internal table values with 1100 and 1200 instead of 210 and 220, and we are again calling demo update modify. So here we deleted these two entries. After in this one, because X was not there, only Y and Z was there, and in this internal table, so we deleted using this demo update values, deleted using this demo update delete function module. And after deleting these two entries, because those only entries were available that time, I will show you this thing in debug mode. Now remaining two entries, they have updated internal table and they pass this internal table in another update function module. And what this update function module is doing, it is modifying these two entries which is already available using the modify statement. These two value will be get changed. We are again doing the implicit commit here using wait statement. And what we did, again we have updated the one entry Y, and we are updating this entry in the database. After updating these two entries, again I updated this particular entry, and again I am doing the update work. At last I am doing the commit work and I am displaying the result in the final output. Control shift greater than. Okay, this is the thing how it is happening here. Let me execute Control F3. Let me execute this program and debug what it is happening. Till here we already know, till this commit work, data will be updated in the database and with these values. After what it is happening, we will see. Okay, what is the impact of this state update task local? F8. So now debug perspective will open. Okay, and you can see I'm doing F5. It will go inside F5. This is same what we have discussed till now, F7. Oh, this is error message. I have to remove this error message first. Then only we can execute this program. Let me comment it out this error message. Let me go to function module and let me close it out. All the I've reset this debug perspective. Okay, let me close it out every other session apart from this. Close all others. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to comment it out. This error message I don't want. Now Control F3. Let me do F8, run this program again. Now you can see I did F5, 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 no error message, no issue, F5, F5, commit work will wait, will trigger, and this table will update it with this entries 200, 210. And there is already those entries, will come same entries, not an issue. Now what we are doing, we selected and displayed this result in output. After the F7, okay, there is some problem. Let me do F7. Okay, F6. So write a statement, it will not display the data, only it will write it down on the screen. Now what I did, I wrote the statement seat update task local. What is the impact of this one? This will note whenever we call the function module in update task, this will not save data in the VB star table. This values will be not saved in the VB star table. Second, instead of it will be saved in the internal memory of the program and internal ABAP memory using import export. It is happening internally. And second thing, this function module, whenever the commit work statement will trigger, it will not execute in different work process. Instead of, it will use same work process, dialog work process, and it will execute here itself. It will be not called in update work process. Let me show you how it is happening. So what I did, as I told you, we are deleting the value internal table. So in the internal table, now only we are having Y or Z value. And I'm updating this with this internal table. I'm deleting the table using the demo update delete, but this will be not called here since it is update task. So this is system program. It is not program. What it is doing, this system program, I hope so. This is sending the data. If I can see, there is some UUID there. F5, this is getting the UUID. In this UUID, this is internal ABAP memory where it is sending the data, and it will get the data from the same UUID when the update, when we process the, after the commit work, the process will happen. But here this function module didn't execute it. This is SAP system program. It is handling, no need to worry. It is sending the data, this internal table data to ABAP memory. When we, after the commit work, when the actual function module will execute, it will get the data from there. Okay, let me do F5. Implicit database commit will happen. Since we already done in update task, there will be no impact here. Same data will be available because we are not writing the data. Let me do F5. Again, what I did after deleting the YZ table, I again updated the YZ table. What I'm doing, I'm updating this data, modifying this this internal table with this value. So it will be modified. I'm again wait for 1 second. It is not directly replicating in the database table, as I already know, because this is called in update task. It will be called after the commit work. I'm again waiting for 1 second. Again, what I did, I again changed the Y column value with 111 internal table, and again I updated this internal table with these values. Now I am doing commit work. So previously, when I showed you, when we did the commit work here, then the separate session open here, which executed the RSM 13000 program, 13,000 program. Here that will not happen since we use set update task local. This is due to this statement. 1 second. This due to this statement, whatever the function module will be registered, it will be registered in ABAP memory itself, and it will be not saved in VB star table, and it will execute in same dialog process. Let me do F5. So commit work happened, and it executed in same work process. There is no update work process, and even the it is not required to do update debugging. You can see currently update debugging is switched off. Even this we are able to execute this particular value. Okay, you can see these values are coming. This is first two values which needs to delete from this database. It will be deleted from this table, and after the second function module to change the values y and z, it will add the yz values here, and after adding this value, modified value, the y1 will be modified again. So this with this value. Is just I want to show you there is no since we use state update task local, it didn't executed in the different work process, it executed in the same work process, same dialog work process. That is the important thing. If I will execute and see the result of what that this is previous data, and after modification, this is since we deleted first time itself from internal table, and we deleted only yz entries and we modified yz entries, and then again we modified y entries. So this result is coming. The same result we can see here if I refresh the table of that update. You can see. So like that, this is the impact of the state update task local. It's very important. If some experienced guy taking interview, he will ask what will happen when you use state update task local. What is the advantage of using the state update task local? No need to save this interface data, whatever we are sending this data, we no need to save in the database table. Instead of it will be saved in the ABAP memory itself in the application level, and you will get from here, and no need to hit the database again and again to get this value. That is the one of the advantage. And we should know this concept. Sometime in the standard code it is written and we will not get to know what it is happening. And but it's working same as how it is working when we are not using the set update task local, but just the difference is we are saving the data in the ABAP memory instead of saving the data in the database database itself. In my last two videos, we have discussed about update function module. If you have any doubt regarding update function module, please write it down in comment section. With that, please like this video and subscribe this channel. It will give me huge motivation to create video like this. Thank you and happy learning.